Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs, and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. Good day guys, ngayong araw tuturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano magpalit ng AC cabin filter ng Toyota Vios. This is applicable for 2013 up to 2018 year model po ng Vios. Today, sa 2015 model po ng Vios, it doesn't matter po kung manual or matic transmission, same procedure lang po yung kailangan yung gawin. Okay, para ma-access po natin yung cabin filter, kailangan po nating alisin yung glove box. Ayusin muna natin to. Natin yung panggamit. And kung meron kayong nakikitang heavy objects, is alisin nyo muna bago nyo alisin yung glove compartment. So, para maalis ang glove compartment guys, mag-start kayo sa edge, sa right side, then saka nyo try yung sa kabila. And you should be able to remove the glove compartment. And on this area, andito na po yung cover po ng yan. So eto guys yung cover ng cabin filter. Etong black na to. And may lock lang yan. Ipitin nyo lang to guys. Then pull out. Ganun din sa kabila. Tapos, ito na yung mismong cabin filter niya. And as you guys can see, sobrang dumi ng cabin filter. So pagka ganito guys, disposable din to ha. Hindi po ito washable. Pagka nakita nyong maitim na, kailangan na pong palitan. Palit naman guys is sobrang dali lang. Yun lang yung cabin filter. Yung cabin filter guys is yung pagpalit niyan depende po sa gamit. Kung daily yung ginagamit yung sasakyan at medyo maalikabok yung dinadaanan nyo palagi, usually dapat mga every 6 months pinapalitan na yan, or even earlier than 6 months. So, pagka balik nyo na ng cover, of course, balik na natin yung glove box. Gagawin nyo lang is, unahin nyo naman yung kabila. So, ganun lang kadali guys, magpalit ng cabin filter for Toyota Vios. And that's it for me today guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung video natin for today. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit nyo na po yung subscribe button. If you need car parts, accessories for your Vios, Rush, Wigo, Ion, Accent, please visit my Shopee store. Link po nasa description section below. Again, Mark nga pala ulit. Thank you so much for joining me today and see you guys on our next video.